Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only pop pressure, I'm gonna. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. The passing of Myrie, the 20-year-old son of reggae dancehall superstar legend Buju Banton, is a deeply tragic loss. Losing your child at such a young age leaves a hole in the heart of those who knew Myles and loved him. So to Buju Banton and the family, I offer my sincerest condolences and words of encouragement during this difficult time. I hope you find solace and cherish in the memories that you shared with your son Buju Banton, and his spirit continue to inspire you and uplift you. I extend my heartfelt sympathies to the Myrie family. Losing a child is an unimaginable pain, and my thoughts are with the family as they try to cope through this profound sorrow. I hope Myles' brothers and sisters find strength in the love and the support of each other and friends and family, and us the fans also, through this challenging period of time. So that is my words of encouragement to the family. Myles' brother Jazeel broke the news. He said, "It is not my thing to say. It is not my job personally to give out personal information about Myles. My father is the one who should share those details, but Myles is an article youth. His soul was clean, so I had to say something." So the brother basically just could not hold it anymore. He just had to share it with people and just share it with the world and just share his grief and his pain and let people know that he's in profound pain right now, and that is why he broke the news. And Myles was living in the USA when this actually happened. I heard some rumors about, his cause of death, but I won't even mention that until the family comes out and probably clear the air and give us the fans, or give the people, some information. Then I will speak on it. Alright, so Sir P is a man that has broke the internet many times, at least in the Jamaican space, and his attack on Brite Lite boss has caused trouble for Brite Lite himself. So to the point where he had to come out and clear his name. Listen to what he had to say.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not into the habit of responding to negativities, because I'm a God-fearing person, and God knows my heart. Now, there's a rumors I should say, going around in respect to a gentleman by the name of Sir P. I don't know where he's getting this information from. And to be honest with you, I wish I knew where he was getting such false and degrading informations from. My name is Tommy Thompson, Mr. Brite Lite. In all my life, and a matter of fact, I'm saying this with God to my witness, I have never once, on no occasion, ordered anybody to be killed, or in any way, indirectly or directly, has nothing or anything to do with anyone who have died under any circumstances. Sir P, I don't know where you're getting the information from, or if they are made up, or you're doing it to get viewerships or whatever, but I'm asking you kindly to desist. Tommy Thompson, Brite Lite, and I will say again, God to my witness, I swear. You said not to swear in his name, but I'm doing that now. If he wants to get annoyed with me, then he has that right to do so. I have nothing or anything to do with any of the allegations that is now being made by him. And I'm asking you, please, Sir P, to desist. Tommy Thompson has nothing to do with lizards. Tommy Thompson has nothing to do with my best friend, one of my best friends. And I said best friends, in the sense that wherever we go, he's always taking pictures like anybody else. And that's somebody who has been, who was very, very dear to me. Up to this day, I can assure you. And that humble human being could not have done anything. I repeat, that humble human being could not have done anything to me or anybody that is around me that would have resulted in his death. And I don't know why anyone, whether family, friends, on outside onlookers, sympathizers, would think that this gentleman, Tommy Thompson, has anything to do with his disappearance. Also, lizards, I has nothing in all my years of business, which everybody knows I have made a massive impact as it relates to funerals in this country. I have no reasons, any reasons at all, to step out of my line of business to do something that is, I would consider, out of bounds for my services. Never, ever, ever done that. I don't own a crematorium. The system in this country is so attached in direct contact that there is no way I could have done that, because there are only 2 crematoriums in this area of Kingston, and everything, and these 2 crematoriums are professionals and they follow procedures. You have to go through procedures, and I don't know why anybody would bring anybody to me then under the circumstances to dispose of under any circumstances, unless it is legit and legally done. And I'm asking Sir P, I don't know you. As a matter of fact, it's my intention to seek advice on this matter. I'm asking you, please, sir, to desist from putting my name out in a negative light. I'm asking you, please, to desist from your actions. If you want to speak to me at any given time, sure, you can speak to me. You can Google me, and you can get to me, and you can speak to me directly. But I'm asking you, please, kindly, to desist from these allegations, which has no basis, has no merit. And I plead that in the name of Jesus Christ, because I know me, and my God know me, and who's close to me know me. I'm a man of dignity. I stand with a dignified standing in this society. I work hard for it. I didn't buy it. I didn't hurt people to get where I'm at. I worked hard. I have changed this industry. I brought it to where it's at today. And I don't want my name to be flagged in any way.
Alright, so that was Brite Lite, and all I have to say is, just like Pablo YG said, stay off the radar, and Sir P will not talk about you, right?
So him that you see in the video, you hear him talk? You see him go on? That's actually him on a good day.